All right, so this is when you don't feel like talking on the mic by Lenore Young. Yo, let's go.
What's good, Lenore?
You be trying to mute your mic, but my mic is
Lenore.
the same. It picks everything up. You trying to be as quiet as you can. Exactly.
Yo,
You like,
Lenore. Bro, I can hear you. I don't think your headphone working or something like that. I can hear you.
I see you like hitting that mute button, huh? You like hitting that mute button.
How the hell you get it? How the hell you get it here?
You can't talk to your mans no more? You can't talk to me no more? You can't talk to me no more, huh? You just gonna mute your mic. Just gonna hit that mute button. Guess you like getting hit with pots too. Guess you like getting hit
No, it
with
wasn't even
beans.
like that, man. I wasn't trying to talk to nobody.
Shut
I
up.
was-
I just wanted to talk to my mans. I just wanted to chop it up, play some Call of Duty. But you wanted to mute your mic? Huh? You want to mute your mic? Huh?
ah!
You want to mute your mic? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gonna wake the neighbors up? Listen, next time I get on the mic,
Yo,
talk.
you ain't got
Don't mute yourself. Okay? Don't mute yourself. Stop. Don't yell. Don't yell.
What did I do?
That's serious.
Don't yell. You gonna wake the neighbors up. You gonna wake them up. Okay? Now I'm gonna go back.
Listen,
Go back to my house.
listen, bro. It ain't that serious.
Alright? I'm gonna get on the mic. And you gonna talk. Alright? You gonna talk. Okay? Okay. Like muting yourself. Okay?
What did I do? Bruh, I really felt like Young Dust to Fly, bruh. Hope y'all enjoyed though.